What is going on, Extrajdm family? It's Austin here, and real quick before we get started, I just want to say thank you everybody for the support on the Instagram, the Snapchat, everything like that. It is insane how fast we are growing as a whole. Derek and I wanted to start this YouTube channel to make it more personal with you guys, make a better connection and everything like that. So I'm going to be filming my stuff in Phoenix, Arizona. He's filming his stuff in Chicago. If you guys are wondering why it's in two different places, it's because I just moved from Chicago 3 months ago. And, you know, I'm just trying to get everything migrated over here this way into Arizona from Chicago, you know, as we continue to build everything like that. I'm going to get right into the video. I'm actually on my way right now to go pick up some Extrajdm decals. So I will see you guys there. Okay guys, so I did just get to the place to pick up the stickers, and I'll be right back when I get them. Alright, I got the decals. There's 50 of them. I'm almost dropping them. But no, there's 50 decals. They came out really good. If you guys are in the Phoenix or Glendale area, this is the place that I went to get them done. Brian's a super cool dude. You know, he'll hook you up. Just go to his Instagram and check out his social medias here at the bottom for some good quality decals. Alright guys, now I'm actually going to be headed to work here. Got a full day ahead of me, and just picked up the decals. They came out amazing. You know, everything turned out a-okay, and then I will catch you guys after work. Alright, so I just ran into this guy. He's a pretty cool dude. He's got this sick ass Sentra here. This is his Instagram. Oh yeah, bro, and I'm giving him a decal. Here you go, bro. Thanks, man. Hell yeah. Let's see if that's going. Alright guys, I just got off work and everything like that. We're about to go to this Tempe meet. And we got the gang here. 350. Random street racing. Oh! For a second there, I thought the Chrysler 300 gapped him. Oh, you already know it's about to go down. She already knows. Alright guys, this meet's just getting started. I just got a little introduction clip here. I'm probably just going to walk around and get a few clips and show you guys a few cars here, and just kind of enjoy the night.
I'm hoping for woe, solo in a solo, comfortable, the frequency sizzle at the bottom. If you don't know, but you when I throw bones to my father, skeleton goes sitting in my front lawn. Crawl to the shadow, come crawl to the gallows, till the shadow come pour. With a narrow shot, with a broken bow, with me down the bucket battlefront. Ladder climbing up to a window. Glass shadows of my playing bucket limbo. Cut on my neck, got that bitch wet. Only fucking with me when she thinks I'm depressed. So that bitch bet, I'm a fucking jet, no sweat. I'm a sit flat, swallow fucking bullets till my lips see flat. When you get that
got done with that Tempe meet, and Nicole, her 350Z. Sorry, I have to yell over the trumpet in the fucking background over here. So her 350Z is blowing hot air from her vent, and it's bad. It's miserable. So we got the windows down, whatever.
It's 100 degrees out.
100 degrees.
Fucking heater is in our face.
Yeah, it's bad. So we're going to grab some tacos right now and just kind of relaxing. Oh, it looks lit in there, for real. Oh. Okay, everybody, so I didn't film any clips of the food or anything after the meet. We all just kind of called it a night and just kind of went home. So if you watched to the end of the video, I really appreciate that. All the support that we've been getting, it's amazing. But thank you guys so much, and stay tuned for the next video.